Good morning! Today we have a few things to do. I've actually been up from probably 7 o'clock. It is now 11:05. Ciao, I have a lot of stuff to do. First of all, I finished an intro and outro this morning. I cleaned my toilet and my sink. I haven't cleaned the shower yet or the rest of the bathroom yet because I can't do that right now. I'm back tired. Yeah, the back is not good, so I couldn't do all of that today, and I was not going to do all of that today. I'll probably do it in the evening or tomorrow, just not right now. I have to go to the bank, and after the bank I need to go to the supermarket. Don't even know which supermarket may I go, but I need to go to a supermarket and get some cleaning products. Actually just Lysol. To be honest, a multi-purpose cleaner. I don't know if I want the Lysol that, you know, I can spray all over in the room, or I want the one that I can use to probably like mop the floors and clean off other stuff. I don't know. Because yesterday, no, not yesterday, I don't remember when I went to the supermarket and I picked up toilet bowl cleaner. Didn't realize it was just for the toilet. So yeah, I gotta buy something else to clean. My room needs a good spring clean. I bought a mop. Actually, Mama showing her what I buy. So I got this, and you're probably wondering, Shelby, what is that? What is in there? This is a watch from this company called CIGA Design. I was wondering why my package was £3, because literally this was in a box and that box was in another box, so I understand why it's so heavy. And the packaging, baby, for one watch, we gotta see what's inside. So of course I know what it looks like on the website because I picked it, but I don't know what it looks like in person. So this is what it looks like when you open it up. This looks like a little mechanical bunny. I'm looking at the watch right now, but we're not going to focus on it. I want to know what's in here. What is this? So this is the face of the watch, and then behind it you have another piece that's like on the inside, and then you have the other pieces. Wow, it just shows you basically the layers of the watch. So now for the final reveal. Dun, 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 dun. Oh my god, this is so, yo, like, this is the coolest thing ever. I've never seen anyone present a watch like this. Here is the lovely watch. So this is what the watch looks like. Oh my gosh, she's so pretty. They had other colors. They had purple and white. I don't know why. Alexa, please. I don't know why I never chose white, but at the same time I was like, I want, you know, to be a little bit unique. I like the pink. I like the pink. I feel like with white it could get dirty really easily, and I would also, you know, it's just high maintenance. You know, I'm lazy. I can't bother with that. Whoa. I'm very happy I can just slip my rich. So it fits on my hand perfectly, and if your hand is smaller than mine, it can still fit. I cannot contain my excitement, but I have to come to you guys with some, you know, details, with some facts about this watch. So first of all, this is the CIGA Design X series, and what I was showing you guys earlier, the little transparent cards, like layers to the watch. Yeah, so basically it's a genius hybrid of back to front transparent skeleton design and mechanical aesthetics. The watch has shining light refracted from different angles, and multiple precision processes are used to create a ceramic case with glittering and translucent oriental elements. I also read that you do not need batteries for this watch. I will leave all that information in the description box below for you to check them out. Of course, I have them, well, the stuff that I bought are in boxes. So it was just a little light shopping, nothing too crazy. So this is the toilet bowl cleaner that I bought. I literally just saw Lysol and said, you know, don't read, just vibe. Other toilet bowl cleaners literally had it very boldly right here, toilet bowl cleaner, and I should have known from the top of this, but no, my brain just, I don't know. And then we go to the big bleach. all I saw, and that's all I saw. Okay, so I need to go back to the supermarket. So I got this. I got I already used some outside already, but I actually bought a smaller bottle and just poured it into this because I'm gonna want 2 bottles. So this is what I got. The Unstoppable, what is this name? Downy Unstoppables in wash scent booster. You know those are beads that you throw in the washing machine when you wash your clothes? Smells super good. I also use them as an air freshener, so I put them in a little mesh bag and put some in my bathroom just to make the bathroom smell, you know. It's just a little hack I saw on TikTok and I said I wanted to try it. I know some people also put some in a spray bottle and put some hot water on it and let it dissolve and then use it as air freshener. So when I come back, I'm going to try that. Back to the unboxing. Also got some paper towel, some Scott paper towel. Honestly, this is just as good as Bounty. Of course, Bounty is a little bit thicker, but this is good too. So yeah, and I like those little cheap flimsy one them. You know, this actually gets the job done. You know, pad, flushable wipes. These are the ultra compact wet toilet wipes. I bought toothpaste because I ran out, so got 2 of those. I got like 3 cinnamon rolls. I already ate one, and I also got 3 donuts, and I also ate one. I got mac and cheese. This is one of my favorite ones. If you know me, I love me some baked beans, so I got some baked beans. Oh, come on, just go for yourself. Why did I get 3? I got 2 baked beans, and then I got, why on God's earth do I keep getting 2 of stuff? And I got 2 spicy sausages. And all the time I want to buy, you know, the one that you put in the freezer. Sometimes I just be frying these, or if I don't feel like frying it, I just eat it out of the tin. So yeah, 2 for 1 works for me. And I love me some sweet corn. I don't know why I bought 1. I feel like it's because I thought I already had some, and I was like, you know what, just in case I don't have any at all, let me pick up 1. So yeah. And last but not least, I love this seasoning, even if it's not for tacos, even if I'm not cooking spaghetti bolognese, or aka spaghetti and mince or spaghetti and meatballs. I use this seasoning because it is, I don't know, just something about it. So it's this taco seasoning, the hot and spicy one. Absolutely love it, to die for. Also bought a toothbrush. Don't really know where that is right now, but yeah, that's it for my haul. I'm going to get ready to go to the bank. Yeah, so soon come back. I was going to get this, but it's a multi-surface cleaner, but on the back it says for kitchen and bathroom. I don't know, maybe I overthink it, but I feel like just getting the spray because that's what I wanted in the first place. There are things for mop and all them something like some. I really need this because I really this one, and if this comes free with it, then why not? I got that, and oh, I need soap. Focus. Good one. $1,400 for this? You're crazy. You're sick. Please tell me there's turkey bacon. There's none. I can't find turkey bacon yet. This shit is so irritating because I want turkey bacon and this place just never yet have it. If I'm lucky, I think we get it like twice, and that was it. I can't get it back. Alright, so I am home, and what I like to do when I get home and know someone jumping out of bed is take off my shorts or my pants or whatever I had on before. So yeah, I do that and then sit on my bed because I do not appreciate outside clothes on my bed. Normally I would take off my top as well, but all right, so I am ready to go meet up with Sash to do this video. I'm going to wear this in the cab because I don't have any mousse and my hair is not really laid properly like how I would like it, because as I said, I don't have any mousse, so just gonna work with this. I could not be bothered to put on any makeup. Shit, I should have put on makeup. I definitely should have put on makeup. Forgot about the content pics that I wanted to take. Well, I'll come home and take them. Camera. I'm gonna put my slippers on and head out the door. So I'll see you guys either when I get there or when I get back. Yeah?
Yeah. I'm just in the bus sitting sideways, waiting to looking all the time. Time gets a ticking and it takes a toll. Told you I couldn't really draw the line. Line ringing saying that you told him things that you could have kept inside. Sidetracking me when I was good to you. You were somebody I would stand behind. I know you like to drink to the sun up, grind till you come up, work all winter, shine all summer, ride for your brother.
And this is it. I'm gonna taste it and see what it tastes like. I wish I got a picture before I put the sauce there. I think this is just marinara sauce. I don't even know. But yeah, I hope it tastes good because I'm gonna be pissed if it doesn't. Hello,
my food. Hey, tell them
don't
not
with my food.
2 hours and 2 hours too long after it lands.
Yeah, it's been a hot
It
minute.
shouldn't even reach the store before we start shooting vlog.
What's a festival night?
Yo. Road. Scrum dilly yum yum. A purr. Guys, welcome back to. Oh, hold on. Why you? Welcome back to the Shel Bird Show. Alright. So make up
Get him out of here.
Them a flag the channel. Yo, Mac.
The blue light? Yeah. Yeah, that's after much. You're not gonna work on this.
Wait, record him just at your Oh yeah, no, he doesn't stop rolling. Yeah, no, that's in there for sure. Yeah, no, for sure.
Did they get to know my class, Shelby? Let me get the partner?
Yeah.
Wow.
Yo, Alibaba not tired of show the idea. Side eye?
Side eye.
Fucking TikTokers.
Man, the question. You're just getting a clean audio of the girl asking it. So what you could do is just find somewhere that...
As long as everything drop a little. Wow. Good job.
Proud of myself. Physics.
Shot in 4K.
Where from this name?
Check what?
Seashells.
Yo, you guys missed that.
Seashells.
If you watch Lee's first video, not first, but
Whoa, yes,
I want to say hi to all my seashells real quick. Oh, I'm sorry.
Why not?
I'm a responsible adult. Yeah, man,
Simon.
Nice. Thank you. Yeah.
That's not how that was supposed to go.
Well, that's how it's going. Yeah. 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 So when I gonna start?
Hey, start from this room.
Lime? You can start and make a lime, no? Or two?
Bye, Seashells.
Put together our pizza. That's why I accept, please. I have manners. I said, please. Head floor. Good morning, Seashells. I feel like crap. I think today I'm going to try to get my life in order. This is what my hair is looking like. A mess, an absolute mess. Today is Wednesday, February 8th, and I think I'm going to, I don't know, do something to make myself feel better. I would. Obviously, you know me, I wanted to do something aesthetically pleasing for the girls and all that stuff, but I'm not feeling it. I can't do it. I'm too busy. I wanted to go get my nails done, but I don't have that nail appointment till next week. I wanted to go get a wax and a facial. Not doing that until, I don't know, let me try to book the appointment now. Wanted to do it this week, but I don't think I can. But I'm gonna see. I also got a new planner. I know I showed you guys a little blue planner, but I got a new planner. I like this one more. First of all, it's black. I like anything that's black, and it has more options in the planner. So yeah, it has more stuff that I feel like will make my planning better. So I'm going to wash my hair today because this is atrocious. I don't know how to care for relaxed hair, and it's stressing me out. It is stressing me out because I cannot just, I don't think I can just mousse it every day and everything is fine. I will literally mousse it today, lay it the next day, it's all laying flat and whatever, and by the day after that it's starting to flake up. I don't know how to care it. I don't know how to moisturize it because, you know, these aren't curls. I can't use a curling smoothie or them something. I don't know if it do. The back of this keep cocking up. I don't know. Please help me. I don't know how to care for short, relaxed hair, and I think I'm going to grow it out. Not natural, but I want a bob. I want a relaxed bob, you know. I want to be able to put clip-ins in or a sew-in or something. I am giving the natural hair a break. I want straight hair. I feel like it will make my life a little bit easier, so that's the plan right now. And then when I'm bored of it, I'll just cut it off and bleach it again because it's just hair. It grows back. It is what it is. I'm very surprised that I have this much hair on my head right now. Like, this is a lot of hair. This is a lot of hair for someone who was scalped in November. So yeah, I think I did a lot of talking just now. I also need to go to the bank. It's 11:29. I woke up pretty early this morning, so I just don't understand how the day's just flying by me, and I literally wrote down everything I needed to do in my planner, and yet still I am in my bed. That's annoying. I had to take some meds this morning. Well, last night I started taking these meds and it made me nauseous. I threw up and then I tried to sleep it off. Well, tried to take a nap, ended up sleeping the entire night, and here we are. Yeah, January was great. January was great, and I know I said I was gonna come back with the new year reset and the Ray and the Tay, and I know I can't do it because this is the first time I've slept at home in weeks. I'll admit that. I have not been here at all. Me myself need a reset. So this is my reset. This is my unofficial reset. I don't know. I'm kind of all over the place, but I told myself, Shelby, you always want to wait until the perfect time to record things. Just pick up the damn camera. Pick up the damn camera. I'm so tired of filming in my room. Every time I take up my camera, I want to see this big dirty headboard. But what me I gonna do? What me I gonna do? I have to make content, and I like making content. So this is just me, the usual, raw, real, uncut, stressed and depressed. Okay, I'm just going through a little rough patch right now, but it's a bad day or a bad couple of days, not a bad life. That's what I'm gonna put out into the universe. That's what I'm gonna tell myself, because if I do that, I just go ball. So this is what I'm booking. It's a Valentine's Day special. Stop now. Brazilian plus com vajacial. I've never had a vajacial, so I want to go get one. So click that. Book now. When do I want? Oh my god. All right, booked out today. Friday. I don't really like doing these things on Fridays, you know. So the appointment is booked, and I have to pay a 50% deposit, so I'm going to do that now and lock it in. What's your name again? 5,100. Whoa, we nearly sent the girl 51,000. 5,100. Okay, yeah, that is that. At least that's booked. Shanita is gonna do my nails on Monday. I want to get all of this done before Valentine's. When is Valentine's? Valentine's is Tuesday, so I'm gonna get my nails done on Monday. Lashes, do I want to do my lashes? I've been feeling, well, not really feeling the no lashes looking up, but I like the feeling of having no lashes because I can go like this and I can wash my face in peace. But I feel like I do need some lashes because I can't bother put on strip lashes all the time. You know what I'm saying? I can't be bothered. Although I did get some new lashes. I can't tell when last I got new lashes. I finally got some new lashes, but probably later down in the video I'm showing you that. So yeah, that's what the pre for right now. I need to go to the bank, so I'll probably just, should I wash my hair first and go to the bank, or should I just hurry up, go to the bank, get what I have to do done, and then come back? Need to get to it. So I want to let you guys know how today will probably be the worst and best day of my life. I've had probably 2 or 3 mental breakdowns so far. Oh, today is Valentine's Day, by the way, and it's also my anniversary. What is that? Oh, excuse me. Honestly, I don't know where I stopped talking. I think I got a phone call and I had to stop talking. Anyways, I was saying that today is not only Valentine's Day, but it's my anniversary. So 2 hours ago, my loving boyfriend decided to tell me that we're gonna go to Mystic Mountain and I need to be ready by 12. Mind you, I wasn't even home. I did over my friend's house, and I was having like 2 mental breakdowns prior to that because, see, I have this project that's due tomorrow, something that I'm working on, and I did not organize it properly. So I have been very flustered, and I kind of just still don't know fully how to go about it. But I'm a little bit calmed down now because I realized that it's not as big as I thought it was, or it's not as, or how I wanted to do it. I don't need to do all that, basically, is what I'm saying. So even though everything is not finalized, I'm still kind of stressed out, to be very honest. But here I am, dressed up to go to Mystic Mountain, and I need to pack another bag because I don't want to wear a dress when I get there on like the rides and stuff. So I'm gonna have to put on like a shorts and a shirt, and I'm gonna bring my Crocs to change off into, but you know, I wanted to look cute because I was having a shitty ass morning and I needed to feel better about myself. So I have on this little dress that I got a long time ago. Don't even remember where I got it from. Don't remember if it's from Zafo. I don't remember where it's from. I'm wearing some little nudish brown slippers. I'll show you when I either get to Mystic Mountain or something. I'll do a little outfit check, but my room is a mess right now. It is literally the state of my mind. So I decided, at first I wanted to do pink with this blue dress, but I was like, I'm always doing pink accessories, let's try brown. So I have these brown shades. Mind you, of course the do-rag is gonna come off, but I feel like my hair looks like shit on the hair, so I don't know. I have these brown shades, and I also have this brown bag, and I think it's cute. I think it's cute. And I am going to be using a new scent today from Dossier. Y'all know. So the scent today is Spicy Orchid, and it is the dupe for Tom Ford's Black Orchid. So top notes include cinnamon, pink pepper, mandarin. Middle notes I don't know, orchid, plum, and the base notes sandalwood, vanilla, incense, and patchouli. So I realized that I like base notes with vanilla, patchouli, sandalwood. So I decided to try it, and yeah, you don't know me already. I'm not buying that Tom Ford that's probably like $500. I don't know how much it is, but I'm just saying, I'm not gonna do that when I can get this. I literally opened the cap and I can smell it already. I haven't sprayed it yet. I just opened the cap and I can smell it already. But I'm wondering if this is a daytime scent. This smells more like a nighttime scent. Oh, apparently I'm going to dinner as well tonight, so there's that. Yeah, this is definitely giving more of a dinner scent than a daytime scent. In the daytime, I'd probably wear something like Marc Jacobs Daisy, anything floral. I'm sorry, I am actually a floral scent girl. Or maybe it's just the Marc Jacobs Daisy. Maybe I don't like any other floral scents, but I like that one. So let's see what other scents I've got, because that's just one of the new ones that I got. Floral aldehydes. I think this one is the dupe for Chanel's N5, but I'm gonna see. Yep, yeah. So this is floral aldehydes. So I'm gonna pronounce it. Yeah, so the top notes, aldehydes, whatever that is, neroli, bergamot, jasmine, May rose for the middle notes, and the base notes, vetiver, sandalwood, and orris. I realize I do like sandalwood. So this is Chanel number 5. We're gonna see. I saw Kyla Shea always wearing this in her vlogs, so I need to see what the hype is. Don't mind if I do. Wow, that's don't mind. I love it, but it's a little bit strong right now, but I like it. I really do like it. I need to find out where this young man is, because he's gonna get here and I'm not gonna hear when he gets here because my battery is dead and I left my charger over at Shanita. So great. What's up, Seashells? I haven't been on here in a while, a really long while, and you know, I'm starting to think that, you know what, we'll talk about that another time. We'll talk about it another time. I was literally just well, I just did a promo for these lashes that I got, which from BossLadyBeaute or BEAUTE. This is the little bag that it came in. Obviously there's nothing in the bag because I took it out, but this is what the bag looks like before Nuts for it taped it up and destroyed it. But yeah, what I got inside, I got 2 pairs of lashes. I have not stocked up on lashes in a very long time, so I'm kind of happy for these. And I also hate using hair glue and them something there, so I'm also glad that it came with a magnetic liner, because these are magnetic lashes. So one of them is a 16mm 3D mink eyelash, and it's called Unique. This is what she looks like. Her, you know, when you're going for that little subtle look but still, you know, give a little life to your face, you go for this one. And then this one is a 25mm 5D mink eyelash, and she's called Ambitious. Can't just imagine what she look like, right? Imagine it. All right, look on it now. Hello, this is what she looks like. That's what she looks like. I'm gonna insert pictures or videos of what they look like on. I literally just took them off, and I'm not gonna lie, my eyes be hurting from like switching them when I was doing the promo, so I'm not gonna do that right now. But I also got a tweezer, like you know, the lash tweezers. I don't use tweezers to put my lashes on at all. I just use my little fingers and just plop them on, and that works for me. I've never tried, but I tried using this today, and it's not bad. It's not bad. And I think this is the cutest pair of tweezers ever, because first of all, it's branded. Hold on, watch the branded. Which tweezers you come with comb? Which tweezers you see come with a comb? I'll wait. So I was there combing out the mink lashes, combing out my eyelashes, because why not? I just love it. I really love it. It came in this cute little box, and it says silk magnetic liner on it, and this is what it looks like. This is super 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 cute. You know, it looks like one of those like travel size perfume. You know what I'm talking about. You know, it's so sleek and cute. Oh, I love it. I love it. I wish it was like a perfume, but you know, it's cute. It's real cute. I'm used to using the eyeliner pens, so when I opened this up and saw that it was, you know, this type of liner, I was fretting a little bit, but it's actually a lot easier to use than I thought. And the lashes stayed on. The take down process is not hard, because you know, with hair glue sometimes you're like, all right, I don't want to pop up my eyelash, you know, whatever. So yeah, that's what I got from them, and I'm happy that I got some more lashes to add to my collection, because I was running out. Every time my friend them come on my head, they want a lash for wear, so my collection was going down. But anyways, that's it for that. Good morning, good morning. Well, actually it's not morning anymore, it is now afternoon, and I am going to cream my hair because this, you know, look good, and I don't really know how to care cream hair. I don't know what I'm doing. I was going to wait until Monday, to be honest, but I can't wait no more. I can't wait no more. I want to wear my hair out. I want to, like, my cream it for wear it out in its slick state, and I feel like because it want cream now, why it's acting up like this, because why are you acting up like that? Let me just get ready. I literally asked on my Instagram this morning, like, who relaxes hair nicely. Yeah, that's what your girl is doing. Of course, I'm gonna put this on my head because I ain't going nowhere with my head looking like that, and I can't find a hat right now, so this is it. May I go just put in the little earrings so it not look so bad, you know, it not look that bad. I don't know why this cab is saying it's 3 minutes away when there's literally traffic on the road right now. Like, it's not far away, but it's not going to take you 3 minutes to get here. It's probably going to take you about 7. You know, I'm retarded. May I wonder, like, I started looking at the little car driving, and may I say, why does this look like it's going to the destination I put in instead of where I'm at right now? I don't know how that happened, but person literally went there. I know this is somebody want to overcharge me. All right, so I go back. I'm waiting for this person. Where is this person now? But yeah, anyways, I really want to just get it professionally relaxed, because of course I could do it myself. I did it myself the first time, although I don't really think me to do it good, but you know, I could do that little thing. But I think it's extremely difficult because of how short my hair is. and I am planning on growing it out. So the back is stressing me out because when I slick it down, it's cocking up because of how I tie it down at night. I don't know how else to tie it down without the back flicking up like that. So maybe I might just have to trim the back and just let the top grow out, and you know, by the time it has some, I don't know, not chat too much. Hi. Okay. Okay, I guess that was the Uber. It was just like, hello, yes, I'm coming. I'm like, okay, thanks. What? He has arrived. I guess he's outside. I'm gonna go.
Hi guys.
It's a beach day.
Yeah.
A successful
Finally.
beach day. Cause man, I know all along.
It's been 3
planning.
weeks and I almost never make it.
But you know, here we are.
On our way.
Which beach are we?
Silver Sands. And it's out here at Trelawny. Trelawny.
I never planned for a Trelawny trip today.
Trelawny, what's that?
If you go watch it, basically,
Yeah, basically, they're
yeah, so
Trelawny.
that's first thing.
Trelawny just sound far.
Exactly, it does.
Like
It's
hobby.
nice.
Trelawny is fine, you know, but when I drive, go to the place, you probably have to take a look at that.
Damn.
Yeah.
When I drive, go inland.
I'm still a fan even though it's salty. Hate to see you with some other brother, you happy. Hate to see you happy if I'm not the one driving. I'm so mature, I'm so mature, I'm so mature. They got me a therapist to tell me there's nothing that I do. One night, not just one show. And if I can't have you, no one should have mine. I like you honest, not the best.
So guys, this is basically the end of the beach trip. The breeze blew the whole of my hair. I couldn't even get a picture. I'm mad because I just relaxed my hair yesterday and got it styled. And look at this shit now. But you know, as long as it didn't get wet, it's fine. It can tie down and can swoop back, and I'm good. I am good. We're gonna go get some food now and then head back to Kingston. So yeah.
Sorry again.
That's fine.